Welcome to Levantin, Boracay, Bulabog, Boracay.
What are you doing? Room tour.
Come on in. Okay, so this is our roomy living room.
Wow, so
So
spacious.
there's also a little kitchen over there.
Yeah, but no cooking implements.
No cooking implements, so I don't know. We can
There's a slightly larger ref from
see
the
a
one.
fridge.
Yeah,
Let's see what's in here.
there.
Okay.
Thou shall not touch because there's
Thou shall not drink. And they have umbrella.
umbrella.
And they have,
There's
of
the
course,
umbrella.
this artwork over here. And a TV.
Mm-hmm. Wait, let me show the artwork first. There. Does it have a signature? No.
There is, actually.
Can you read it?
No, it's a code.
Okay.
Yes. And we have this cabinet here. Made in bamboo.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Okay. Several shelves. And then this is the 1BR. Ta-da! Okay, this is I think what, queen?
Yeah, that's a
Queen size.
queen.
And the artwork,
Very
sailing motif,
uh
and also with a painting,
mm-hmm.
and the restroom.
Yeah.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
Okay, so that's it for our little room tour of our 1BR in Levantin, but we say Levantin, Boracay, in Bulago Beach. Welcome. Ciao.